In this lesson, we'll create a data-driven table. First, drag a repeater table onto the canvas. Add a new column and label the header as department. Then, enter the data, product, HRM, and sales. Add another column. Label it position and enter product manager, trainer, and salespeople. Add one more column, label it status, and enter online and offline. Add more rows and copy-paste data into these new rows. In the repeaters widget section, copy and paste more rectangles. Link each rectangle to the corresponding columns in the data table. Copy and paste rectangles outside the repeater to create table headers, then adjust the table style. Enter the text for the table headers. In the Style pane, select Paginate and set Items per page to 10. Adjust the borders for the table and headers. Next, drag 3 rectangles to create pagination buttons. Add a text field and a search icon to make a search box. Add a button and label it score greater than 40. Drag in a drop-down list. Add options department, HRM, product, and sales to match the data in the department column. And set department as the default. Copy and paste its dropdown, then update the options to sales, online, and offline to reflect the status column. Now, let's add interactions. Add a text changed interaction to the text field. Choose Add Filter. Keep the filter rule for full name as it is, change equals to contains, and set Text on Widget to target the text field. Uncheck Remove the filters. Add filters in the same way for last name, score, department, position, and sales. Copy this interaction and change any incorrect click interactions to text changed interactions. Add a selection changed interaction to the department drop-down list. Add a filter to the repeater and set text on widget to selected option of and target the department dropdown. Copy and paste this interaction to the status dropdown list and update the filter rule to status. Add a click interaction to the score greater than 40 button to add a filter to the repeater. Select is greater than, set text on widget to text value, and enter 40 in the text box. For button 1, add a click interaction. Choose Set Current Page as the action and set the current page to 1. Set up interactions for buttons 2 and 3 in the same way. Create a Remove All Filters button add a click interaction and choose Remove Filter, setting it to remove all filters. For the interactions on the department dropdown, check Remove Other Filters to filter only by the current selection. Do the same for the status dropdown. Preview the prototype, clicking the department and status dropdowns filters content accordingly. Clicking the Score Greater Than 40 button filters rows where the score is greater than 40. The Remove All Filters button sets the list to its initial state. Typing in the search box automatically filters columns containing the input text. The pagination buttons allow navigation through the list.